Aston Villa are 1-0 up already. Hey, hey, hey. Why are you hate watching, Hussam? United, you get me? So yeah. Oi, Aston Villa are 1-0 up already. Hey, hey, hey. Why are you hate watching, Hussam? Hussam, why are you hate watching? Oh my God, you're gonna jinx Chelsea. Oh my God, you're gonna put Chelsea in a bad place. Oh my God, Chelsea this, Chelsea that. Oh look, if Chelsea win today, it will be your fault. Oh my God, you're such bad luck, Hussam. Blah 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 blah. We're gonna put Lewis stream now, and you guys cry with him. How about that? How about you guys cry with him, just like he's crying? You also cry. I think that is a great suggestion because you're all a bunch of frauds. So enjoy, yalla. Here you go, Lewis.
Side Bailey up against Hatto, cut back. Oh, fuck! Shit! Oh my God! It's Douglas Luiz of all people. We said it before the game. There's enough players on this Villa team on the bench and in the starting 11 that have been rumoured, linked, previously employed. Fucking hell, man. First attack and we're conceding. First attack and we're conceding.
Bailey crosses it into no one. But it's in! Doggy Luiz! How's he done that then? Woo! That's a lucky goal, but we take it. We take it. We take it all day long in this place. We need that. That is massive. Very lucky. We'll take it all day long. Dougie Luiz. An assist from, I can't believe I'm saying it, Leon Bailey assist. Leon
Bailey taking on the fullback. Can he go around the outside? He does. Little low cross into the box. And the ball! Yes! Get it! Leon Bailey into Luiz. It's 1-0 to Villa already. 2 minutes in. And Leon Bailey beats the fullback. Goes around the outside of the fullback. That's exactly what we needed. What did I tell you? I said if he beats his fullback in the first 5 minutes, he'll have a good game. That's exactly what he did. Low cross with his right foot. And it just trickles in to the box. No Chelsea player picks it up. And Douglas Luiz with a lovely finish past the goalkeeper. And it's 1-0 to Aston Villa.
Absolutely miles off it. 1-0 to Villa. Oh, no. I know. Man's just come on there now. 1-0 to Villa. Sweet Lord. That's not a good result.
Up against Hatto, cut back. Oh my God, man. We're so shit, bro. We're actually so crap. Like, fuck me. Oh my word. It's 1-0 Aston Villa already. Already. Fantastic. In a must-win game, Chelsea have started like complete and utter dog shit. Philip Jorgensen nowhere to be seen in the middle of the goal, and the ball has come across the face. Like, I'm just going to laugh at this point. You know, I'm just going to laugh because, like, do we care?
Uh-oh.
We are so crap. Like, we are so crap. It's stupid. Do you know what I mean? We are so pants. We should be prosecuted. Like, we actually should, man. We can't be serious, bruv. Already. I just mentioned, are Villa going to be serious or not? And we've just...
What are you doing? Chelsea equalize. Joao Pedro scores. Joao Pedro scores for Chelsea. That's a good cross from Malo Gusto. Told man about Joao Pedro. I warned you all. That's a good finish. And a great pass by Gusto. Who made the mistake there?
That's a good ball, Enzo. Ball in. Yes! Come on! Joao Pedro again! Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Come on! 1-1. I swear, don't tell me that's offside. Don't tell me that's offside. Chat, stop your shenanigans. Stop your silliness. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I will go all American streamer on you, chat. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, chat.
It's got to be a goal. Yeah, there we go. 1-1. Pedro. I knew that was going in. We've lost this game. Game, set, and mash. Let's go, chat. 1-1. Terrible defending. Knew that was happening. Incoming 0 points again.
Oh, now we 1-1. Just seen 1-1. Yeah. No, it's fine. It's fine. I haven't got the stream on it. I haven't got the screen on at the minute because it's playing up for me. I clip over the top. Onside. Yeah, I'm trying to get the replay on. Yeah, claim it for offside. It's never offside. And then it's a good cross. Low finish from Joao Pedro. And that's 1-1.
That's good. Gusto, go on. Yes, come on. There's the equaliser. That is a fabulous goal. Joao Pedro's got it, and fair play to Malo Gusto with the assist. Come on. Get in. It is 1-1. That's a huge moment for Chelsea in this game. We needed that. And do you know what? I'd go as far as to say we do deserve it, to be fair. We're not doing all that bad. We've created a lot of opportunities. That is a huge moment. Huge moment. Chelsea are level, and that second goal was going to be the important one because to concede that early, there's still so much of the game to go. But wow. Enzo Fernandez, they're looking at it. Of course it's onside, mate.
Cheeky, Cole Palmer. Not Cole Palmer. Gusto 1-1, yes! Is he offside? I hope not. Pedro scores. Pedro scores. Pedro scores. Pedro scores. I think it counts. I think it counts. There's no flag. Yes! There's no flag. There's no flag. Get in. Get in. So my prediction has come true. My prediction has come true. 1-1. I did say, I don't think Villa are going to go on a rampage. But right now it's 1-1 and it's even and it's still not enough. We need another goal. We need another.
Does Joao Pedro 2-1. Look at that pass by Enzo. I cannot believe this. How are Chelsea 2-1 up against Aston Villa as well? Enzo Fernandez with a fantastic pass. And it's 2-1 to Chelsea. Aston Villa are such bottle jobs, man. Every time, same thing.
Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Are you fucking dumb? Are you fucking dumb? Come on! This is him! This is the guy! Elite level shit right here! What a finish! What a strike! Left foot! Clip over the keeper! Hold that! Come on! Yes! Come on! What a finish! My fucking...
Because he's so good at diving. Fernandez. Pedro, in he goes. Was he offside? Was he offside? Could have been offside. If not, then I'm not surprised. It might be offside. I don't know.
Side, Fernandez. Oh, João Pedro. And it's a goal. It's 2-1 Chelsea. I did say who's going to go for it. Not good defending. I hope so, Billy Bob. I hope so. I don't think he will be, though. See, I did... Wendia there, a little bit slow to get back. Is he offside? Is he?
God, actually looks like a man on a mission today. Enzo Fernandez, yes. Go on, Pedro. Yes! Come on! What a goal! What a goal! Chelsea have scored again. Is he onside? It looks like he might be offside. It looks like he could be offside. But Enzo Fernandez with another delectable pass over the leg of the Aston Villa defender, and João Pedro is on a hat-trick. It is another brilliant finish. It might be offside. I'm trying not to get too excited. But that is Argentina to Brazil, ladies and gentlemen. You don't see it very often, but when you do, oh, he's onside all day. Oh, is he? Oh, no.
Enzo. Oh, little dink. Yes! That's a good goal. That's a good goal. João Pedro, 2-1. That is cheeky. João Pedro, that's cheeky. I'll give him that one. That's quality. I'll give that to Enzo Fernandez as well. That was a beautiful assist from Enzo Fernandez. And Villa have cracked. Villa have cracked. Beautiful. We've cracked them. I wasn't expecting that. I'll be honest. I wasn't expecting that. João Pedro with a beautiful finish. I love that finish. Enzo Fernandez with a cheeky. He's on. Oh no. Oh no. Crap. His foot might be off. His foot might be off.
Martinez clears it back to Palmer and Palmer scores. That's a good goal by Palmer as well. That's a good goal by Palmer as well. On the half volley. That's a great goal by Palmer. That's a great goal by Palmer.
Palmer. Yes! It's Cole Palmer, ladies and gentlemen, for the third goal. Surely. 3 points. Coming home now. He's not being very lively today. He's not being very loud. I'm not going to lie, but we don't care. Because we got ourselves.
Crossing it in. Martinez has got rid of it. Palmer, 3-1. Cole Palmer, in comes the cold celebration. Too easy. Terrible defending. Shock horror. Game over.
James. Carried out. There you go. Cole Palmer. Oh. Those who said 4-1, you're going to be right. You're going to be right.
Go on, Palmer. Yes, come on. 3-1. Get in there. Come on. And he needed that goal. We needed that goal. And Cole Palmer needed that goal. Get in. That's a brilliant finish. He started the move off and he finished the move. There's no way they're taking this one away. There's no VAR check. Who is it? Have that. Have that. Have that. That's what I'm talking about. Have that. What are you saying now? What are you saying now? Yeah, I'm going to be spiteful about this one. Yeah, I'm going to be spiteful because people mud him too much. People mud him too much. What are you saying now? Is anyone talking? Anyone talking now? No. Have that. That's what I'm talking about. Cole Palmer, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Dele Alli, get out of here. Dele Alli, have some respect. Have some respect. Honestly.
Joao Pedro, hat-trick 4-1. Game over. Game over in this one as well. You see how all the jokes I made about red card and all this? See? Now again. And this is 4-1 in this game as well. It's over in this game.
Yep, Garnacho. That's a 2v1. That's a fucking hat trick. That's a fucking hat trick. That's what it is. It's a hat trick for Joao Pedro. It's 4-1. 4-1. Hat trick for Joao Pedro. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Garnacho. 4-1. Let's go. Pedro, 4-1. Hat-trick for Pedro.
This is going to be 4. There we go. 4-1. 4-1. What an absolute embarrassment this is. What an absolute embarrassment. Joao Pedro. This is totally and utterly embarrassing. What is going on there? Joao Pedro hat-trick. This is absolutely embarrassing. I mean, what are we doing here? I think no, well, he's not offside, is he? Because it's honestly, this is just an absolute embarrassment.